Welcome back to my channel Gourmet Kitchen. So let's make Changezi chicken. It's basically a marinated chicken cooked in a flavorful masala gravy. So let's start with the preparation. First we are marinating chicken. For it we are taking 1 cup curd. To it we are adding ginger garlic paste. Next we are adding Kitchen King masala and chicken masala. Next we are adding salt, some red chilli powder, coriander powder, Handi powder and lots of Degi mirch for the color. We'll just give it a good mix. We need to refrigerate the marination for at least 2 to 3 hours. Now we are starting with gravy preparation. First we have added oil. To it we have added sliced onion and we'll fry it till they turn golden brown. Now you can see onions have turned golden brown. We'll just keep it aside and we'll make a paste out of it. Now we have grinded tomatoes along with some ginger, garlic and green chillies. So we have not added any water till this stage. We just need to roast the masala till the oil separates. Now we are adding salt, red chilli powder, haldi powder, some garam masala and give it a good mix. We'll just roast the masala till the oil separates. Now this is the fried onions paste that we are mixing in with the roasted masala, that bhuna masala. Now you can see the oil has started separating. At this stage we will add in our marinated chicken. Have not added any water till this stage so that our chicken cooks well, nice and tender. At this stage when the chicken is cooked, we will start adding little water to adjust the consistency of the gravy. You can add in the water according to the gravy consistency you require. Now we have added some fried onions, some fresh cream or Mughlai, and we will mix these. To it we are adding some fresh coriander, and you can see our Changezi chicken is ready now. It has a good dark brown color. So we are garnishing it with some more coriander leaves. So we are ready with the flavorful mouth-watering Changezi chicken. If you like the recipe, please like, share and comment.